Hi guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can hard reset your Realme device in both lock and unlock mode. Basically, we have two reset options. First is soft reset and other is hard reset. Soft reset doesn't clear or erase all data, but hard reset does. And if you guys also don't know the phone password, so don't worry, I'm giving you the method which is very simple and easy. All you have guys to follow these steps. Before starting the video, do subscribe us and hit the bell icon so you never miss any updates from this channel. Also comment us for further tips and tricks. Okay, let's start. If your phone is unlocked, so just go to setting and scroll it down to the system. After that, we have an option of reset option here. Just click it and we have three options. On the bottom one, we have erase all data factory reset. Just click it and then tap on erase all data. After that, your phone data will be erasing and all the data will be wiped out. So this is a method is for unlock phone. But if your phone is locked and you don't know the password, so don't worry, I'm giving you another method. Just press power button and volume up button, then tap on power off. So your mobile will be switched off. After that, just press power key for 3 seconds and then volume down key. Then release the button, then this type of window appears. After that, just press power button and then volume up key. Then we have a lot of options there. Right now we want to go on wipe data and factory reset just because the touch panel isn't working. So we have volume up and down keys. Just press volume down key for downward, wipe data factory reset, then just press power button to select. After that, we have an option of factory data reset. For that, press volume down button and then power button for selection. See, it means all the data start wiping. It will take just 3 to 4 seconds. Then we have option here, reboot system now. So for rebooting, just press power button and then the phone start switching on. It may take 3 to 5 minutes only to start the mobile and all the data of your mobile phone will already be wiped. So that's it about the video. This is too simple and easy method and this method is applied in all Realme devices. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Just like the video and follow us for more interesting content. See you guys in next video. Take care.